This tutorial is based on 3 practical things. I will show you step-by-step guide on how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome browser. And if Chrome cannot open it, then we are going to use another browser website. Let's try it and see. Again, I will show you how to get a rich content, because if how to open a YouTube Studio is not a rich content, I will not bother myself to even make content on them. Then I will show you how to rank your videos, whether people are currently searching it or not. I will show you. Now, first thing we are going to do is, let's even check whether this keyword is something that people are currently searching or not. The first thing I'm going to do is open YouTube. Then go to the search bar. Now let's type the keyword, how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome browser. Now you can see the auto completion. Even though I have not completed the keyword, but this auto completion has now suggested some keywords that people are searching to get this content. You can see the auto completion. The first one is how to open YouTube Studio in Chrome, while the second one is how to open YouTube Studio desktop on mobile. Now let's take these 2 keywords and confirm whether it is a rich content or not. Because if it is not a rich content, I've told you I'm not going to make content on it. I want to know the amount of people who are currently searching it. Because if people are searching this content, then if you make video on them, people are going to watch it because they will easily search it. Now let's go to vidIQ. The first one is how to open YouTube Studio in Chrome. Let's go to vidIQ. vidIQ, if I use Chrome browser will not open it. I don't know what's happening with them. Now let's use Opera Mini. Opera Mini, search vidIQ. vidIQ, search. You can see, you click on the first link, it will take you directly to vidIQ. Now, first thing you are going to do is link your YouTube channel with their website. They are very, very reliable. You can see some other people who have linked their channel with this vidIQ. People are using vidIQ to grow their YouTube channel. Now you can see trending keywords. If to say I subscribe to this platform, I will know this rich keyword. Then see another one. See people who has already linked their channel with this vidIQ. See this one now, YouTube tips. People are currently searching it. You can see the movement of the way people are searching it. These are my videos. People who has already linked their channel. You see them. Now let's go directly to research. Go to research. Now let's enter that first keyword, how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome. Let's say on Chrome. Now press go. You can see the overall score is low. Search volume is very low, even though competition is high. Although now it seems that keyword people are not searching it as much. Now let's take a look at the suggested keyword below it. You can see the suggested keyword, how to open YouTube Studio on Chrome, how to open YouTube Studio in Chrome. Now let's check this second keywords. You can see overall score is very high, 64. Now see the volume of people who are searching it, 5,000. It is falling, but later it will still rise up. The competition is very low. If you make content on this using this kind of keyword, people will search it. How to open YouTube Studio in Chrome browser. Let's click the second one again. It is very low. Now let's go back to YouTube and see the second keyword. The second keyword is how to open YouTube Studio desktop or mobile. Now let's click how to open YouTube Studio desktop on mobile. Now search. You can see how to open YouTube Studio desktop, mobile or phone. You can see this one is the overall score is very high. See the search volume, 7,495. People are searching it. See the competition. People are making content on this one. They are very low. So there is high chances if I make content on this, people will surely watch it. So now what I'm going to do is I will take this keyword, how to open YouTube Studio desktop on mobile phone. This is the keyword I'm going to use right now. So even though if I make my content, I will cut it. Now let me copy it. Even though if I make my content, the title, I will build it around this keyword. So then that's how optimize my title, even though my thumbnail, I'll equally build it around this keyword. The description, you can ask ChatGPT to write a description based on this keyword with their related, search keyword. So this is how you get rich keywords. Now, I think I've shown you the step-by-step on how to rank your video and how to check whether the content is currently being searched or not. Now, let's now open YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, many people are using Chrome. Let's use Chrome. YouTube Studio Desktop Login. Let's see whether Chrome is going to open it. Now, this is the first link. I click on it. You can see it will only take me to the application of my YouTube Studio, whereas this is not where I'm going. I'm going to the desktop site. Now you will need to return back to the Chrome. Return back to the Chrome. Now click this. You can see click this language. I don't really understand it. Now let's click on it and see where it will take us to. You can see. So this is how you can use Chrome browser to access your YouTube Studio. You can see it take me directly to my YouTube Studio. So this is the step-by-step on how you can use Chrome browser to access your YouTube Studio. This is very, very simple as that. So I believe if you follow these steps, you are going to be able to use Chrome to open YouTube Studio on YouTube Studio desktop using your mobile phone. So this is the step-by-step guide. If you understand this video, guys, I hope you subscribe to the channel. More videos are still coming. So thank you, guys.